good to be here. It feels good to be here. What's up, boy? I went to some boy. Yeah, what's up now? What's up now? What's up now? Hello. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What you say? What you say? Hello. Hello. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Let's Jean. J'entends ce mniago. Livre de Jean. Et ma sensato sensamu. Let's Jean. Et puis le tato ce mniago. Livre samu. Ma sensato sensamu. Hello, finally look at the past, look at us now. Bugele gas, bugele jam. It's a good bugele fast, how we get jam. The only L we take is if you pay by the pound. So the local baby spoon over my reject. Tattoo pega man says I keep my jungle reject shop. Man I need to relax. Let's go call a pen, I got the thing is ready, see right. Who's up season with base? Unga limu pelu moya mtagaba. Unga limu pelu moya mtagaba. Yazi limu tulakona na wela. Kuzolungu sasa bona mtagaba. When that choice you do your vugo, you stand covered. Better get your act together like the Wayans brothers. I made mine now, I'm a king in my city. I'm gonna have a best I got for the pen to get easy. Hello. What you say? What you say? Hello. Hello. Noma kunzima lapho faka umfutho manje awubheke nje wonke umuntu uphusha iphupho lakhe mina ngifisa isikhathi esiningi ngokusokola manje ngifuna ukubona nawe ulokhu stuck ekulelo khona ngola ngabi kuzolunga kuyobe ngathi akaze kushuka ukuzwe ngesinamuva ngena lona livele libuka kuzungile now we screaming oh Lord trying to stack numbers sound like my caller can't teach brand new tricks to an older I still make a living stitching lines like Coltrane grinding solo manje babefika bathi bitch besibunge uphuma sanushona le laba babephika bayajika bezobethi intwana yami yayiyinje hello What you say? What you say? Hello. Listen, John. It's not so simple. You better, John. It must have so simple. Listen, John. Lifike thato semnyango limenze njani limbeke emsamu emase thato semsamu limbeke emnyango angithi hello